Decoding the future of AI. Welcome to AI Perspective. What if I told you that building a complex, fully functional mobile application could be as simple as writing a sentence? What if the entire process of designing a user interface, setting up a database, and implementing user authentication could be handled by an AI in a matter of minutes? It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the future is now. Google has just pulled back the curtain on a tool that is poised to change the face of app development forever. This is Firebase Studio. What you just saw wasn't a pre-rendered animation. It was a real-time demonstration of Firebase Studio's power. With a single, detailed prompt, a developer can generate a clean, modern mobile interface, complete with Firebase authentication, a real-time database, and cloud storage. This isn't just a design tool, it's an intelligent development partner. So, what exactly is Firebase Studio? At its core, Firebase Studio is a new, AI-powered development environment designed to drastically simplify the app creation process. It's built on the robust foundation of Firebase, Google's popular mobile and web application development platform, and supercharged by their most advanced AI, Gemini. The goal of Firebase Studio is to bridge the gap between idea and execution. For years, if you had a great app idea but didn't know how to code, your options were limited. You could either spend months, or even years, learning to program, or you could hire a team of expensive developers. Firebase Studio presents a third option, a world where your creativity is the only prerequisite. The secret sauce behind Firebase Studio is, without a doubt, Gemini, Google's multimodal AI model. Gemini is capable of understanding and processing not just text, but also images and code. This allows for an unprecedented level of interaction and creativity. When you provide a prompt to Firebase Studio, you're essentially having a conversation with Gemini. You can describe the app you want to build in natural language. For instance, you could say something like, create a social media app for pet owners with a photo feed, direct messaging, and a profile page for each pet. Gemini then gets to work. It analyzes your request and begins to generate the necessary code, design the user interface, and configure the backend services. It understands the nuances of modern app design, ensuring that your app is not only functional but also beautiful and user-friendly. It can incorporate material design for Android or iOS guidelines, ensuring a native look and feel. Let's break down some of the game-changing features that make Firebase Studio so powerful. As we've already seen, the headline feature is the ability to generate an entire app from a text prompt. But it goes deeper than that. You can iteratively refine your app by providing further instructions. For example, after the initial app is created, you could say, add a 5-star rating system to the photo feed, and Firebase Studio will implement it. This conversational approach to development is incredibly intuitive and powerful. Building a great app is often a team effort, and Firebase Studio is built with collaboration at its core. You can share your workspace with other team members, allowing everyone to contribute to the project simultaneously. A designer could be tweaking the UI, a marketer could be adjusting the copy, and a project manager could be leaving feedback, all in the same environment. You can even share a preview URL with early testers to get their feedback before the app is even finished. This breaks down the silos between different roles and streamlines the entire development lifecycle. Being a part of the Firebase ecosystem means that Firebase Studio has native support for all of Firebase's powerful services. This includes authentication, which lets you easily implement secure login flows with support for email and password, social media logins, and more. It also includes real-time database and Firestore, to build reactive apps where data syncs across all clients in real time. With cloud storage, you can allow users to upload and share files, images, and videos with ease. And with cloud functions, you can run backend code in response to events. All of this is configured automatically by the AI based on your initial prompt, saving you countless hours of setup and boilerplate code. Firebase Studio isn't just for building prototypes. It's designed to take you all the way to a production-ready application. The code generated by the AI is clean, efficient, and follows best practices. You have full access to the underlying code, so you can export it to your favorite IDE, like Versus Code or Android Studio, at any time. This means you're never locked into the platform. You can use Firebase Studio to get your app off the ground quickly and then take over the code for more complex, custom features down the line. The beauty of Firebase Studio is its broad appeal. For entrepreneurs and startups, it dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for building a minimum viable product. You can test your ideas in the market faster and with a fraction of the budget. For experienced developers, it's an incredible productivity booster. It automates the tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the more challenging and creative aspects of software engineering. It's like having a junior developer who works at the speed of light and never gets tired. For designers and product managers, it empowers you to bring your vision to life without having to write a single line of code. You can create high-fidelity, interactive prototypes that are backed by a real backend. So, is this the end of coding as we know it? Not necessarily. What we're seeing is an evolution. AI is becoming a powerful collaborator in the creative process. Tools like Firebase Studio are democratizing technology, making it accessible to a wider audience. The role of the developer will shift from writing boilerplate code to being the architect of the system, guiding the AI, and solving the truly complex problems. The future of app development will be more about creativity, problem-solving, and user experience, and less about the syntax of a particular programming language. Firebase Studio is more than just a new tool. It's a paradigm shift. It represents a future where the only limit to what you can build is your imagination. The ability to go from a simple idea to a fully functional app in such a short amount of time is nothing short of revolutionary. We are at the very beginning of this new era of AI-powered development, and I, for one, cannot wait to see what the world will create with tools like this. What do you think about Firebase Studio? Are you excited about the future of AI in development, or do you have some reservations? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest in tech, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.